Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with your task scheduler not running on your Windows computer. So I imagine this could be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in services, best match should come back with services listed right above app. Go ahead and open that up. You want to locate the task scheduler service in here and double click on it. If service status is stopped, you want to select start, and startup type you want to set that to automatic. Once that's done, you select apply and OK. Close out of here, and you want to go restart your computer, and hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.